Hello everyone, this is Rabbia. In this video, we will solve question number 13 from exercise 3.2, chapter number 3. Find the measures of the angles of the triangle, the equation of whose sides are x plus y minus 5 equals to 0, x minus y plus 1 equals to 0, and y is equals to 1. Also find its area. Let L1 x plus y minus 5 equals to 0, L2 x minus y plus 1 equals to 0, L3 y minus 1 equals to 0 be the sides of triangle ABC. This is A, B and C. Applying slope formula, m is equals to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. For L1, m1 is equals to minus coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of y is 1. m1 is equals to minus 1. Now for L2, m2 is equals to minus coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of y is minus 1. m2 is equals to 1. For L3, m3 is equals to minus coefficient of x is 0 divided by 1, m3 is equals to 0. Now for angles, applying formula, tangent of measurement of angle theta is equals to greater slope minus lesser slope divided by 1 plus greater slope into lesser slope. Tangent measurement of angle A is equals to greater slope m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 into minus 1. 2 divided by 0 is equals to infinity. Therefore, measurement of angle A is equals to 90 degree. टेंजेंट इन्वर्स करेंगे तो ये 90 डिग्री आएगा. नाउ फॉर टेंजेंट ऑफ मेजरमेंट ऑफ एंगल B इज इक्वल्स टू m3 माइनस m2, सॉरी ये m1 है, m3 माइनस m1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस m3 इंटू m1. m3 इज 0 माइनस m1 is minus 1 divided by 1 plus 0 into minus 1. 1 divided by 1 and measurement of angle B is equals to 45 degree. Tangent inverse 1 is 45 degree. Now from geometry, measurement of angle A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree. So we get measurement of angle C is equals to 45 degree. Now for area, for area we have to find the vertices of triangle A, B and C. For that, applying intersection formula, x is equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Y is equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. For A, consider L1 and L2. Here A1 is 1, B1 is 1 and C1 is minus 5. A2 is 1, B2 is minus 1 and C2 is 1. Substitute the values in the formula. 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 5 divided by 1 into minus 1 into 1. Y is equals to minus 5 into 1 minus 1 into 1 and same values. X is equals to 1 minus 5 divided by minus 1 and y is equals to minus 5 minus 1 divided by minus 1 minus 1. X is equals to minus 4 divided by minus 2 and y is equals to minus 6 divided by minus 2. X is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. Coordinates of A 2, 3. Now for B, consider L1 and L3. Here A1 is 1, B1 is 1, C1 is minus 5, A2 is 0, B2 is 1 and C2 is minus 1. X is equals to 1 into minus 1 minus 1 into minus 5 divided by 1 into 1 minus 0 into 1. Y is equals to minus 5 into 0 minus 1 into 1. X is equals to minus 1 plus 5 divided by 1 and y is equals to 0 plus 1 divided by 1. X is equals to 4 and y is equals to 1. Now for C, consider L2 and L3. Here A1 is 1, B1 is minus 1, C1 is 1, A2 is 0, B2 is 1 and C2 is minus 1. X is equals to minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 into 1 divided by 1 into 1 minus 0 times minus 1 and y is equals to 1 into 0 minus 1 into 1 divided by 1 into 1 minus 0 into minus 1. X is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 1, and y is equals to 0 plus 1 divided by 1. X is equals to 0 and y is equals to 1. C is equals to 0 comma 1. Now applying formula of area, that is area is equals to half of mod of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Here x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, y2 is 1, and x3 is 0, y3 is 1. Half of 2 3 1, 4 1 1, 0 1 1. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा एरिया इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ इंटू 2 इंटू 1 माइनस 1 minus 3 into 4 minus 0 plus 1 into 4 minus 0. Half of 2 into 0 minus 3 into 4 plus 1 into 4. Half of 0 minus 12 plus 1. Half of minus 8. And area is equals to minus 4 square units. Since area cannot be negative, therefore area is equals to positive 4 square units.